This is your Weather Extreme video for Saturday, June the 28th. I'm meteorologist Brian Peters, and before I forget it, I don't want to forget to mention the Helena Market Day, which continues through July and August down at Buck Creek Park. The sunrise this morning was beautiful at Mount Cheaha, and we get to see that there's a little bit of fog in the valley that down there as we look off to the east from the highest point in the state of Alabama. And we do have a bit of a cloud deck left over from the showers yesterday, as well as that weakness that's been causing a few extra showers. At the surface, the weather map continues to show basically high pressure over the southeastern United States. We do have this little weak low just off the southeast coast of the U.S., but not expecting any serious thunderstorm development there with any kind of tropical development. The upper air pattern has been plagued for the last several days with this weakness over the lower Mississippi River Valley, and that weakness has been helping to enhance showers and thunderstorms. And we saw that again yesterday. Ended up with a beautiful afternoon, but ended up also with showers overnight, which is not typical in the summertime. You expect those showers more during the afternoon. And that weakness is beginning to show signs of dissipating as it moves off to the northeast, and therefore we should be seeing a trend downward in the shower activity. Temperatures across central Alabama generally starting the day off around the 70-degree mark, and because of this weakness, we still once again see on radar that we do have some showers extending all the way from the area of central Kentucky down across central Tennessee and the Nashville area down into Mississippi and across parts of west central Alabama. QPF-wise, because the high pressure is building in, we're going to see a few less showers over the next few days, and the result is that the precip will be down. Of course, remember, the precipitation will still be somewhat scattered, so some spots could get a nice dousing, maybe a half inch or so, and other spots get absolutely nothing. Storm Prediction Center outlooking a slight risk all the way from the Texas Panhandle across parts of Missouri and up into Iowa and Minnesota. That area extends pretty much in the Iowa-Nebraska area on day 2, which is Sunday. And then day 3, Monday, the slight risk area extends from northern Indiana across the Chicago area and down through Missouri into the Oklahoma Panhandle. And so much of the severe weather well to our north and northwest. And as I mentioned, the National Hurricane Center is keeping an eye on this area of disturbed weather. Doesn't seem to be any signs of any development right away. All right, let's take a look at the 06Z GFS model run this morning. And here's the 500 millibar pattern for this afternoon at 1 p.m. And we can see that this trough over the north central United States is still there, and it's actually helping to move out this weakness that's been producing our showers and thunderstorms. So it looks like we'll see, once again, scattered showers and thunderstorms. Don't think they'll be quite as numerous as we saw a couple of days ago. That weakness moves on out fairly well on Sunday as the ridge builds in. So as that ridge builds in, I think that we'll see a reduction in the showers and the amount of coverage. Maybe a little bit more coverage and showers to the north of Birmingham than to the south of Birmingham. And, of course, the beach looking pretty good down there. The upper air pattern is gradually changing to more of a ridge. And I draw your attention to the 588 contour, which on this map Monday at midday is just to the south of Chicago. And we'll follow the strength of the ridge by watching that, and it's suppressed just a little bit down into Kentucky, so it's actually suppressed a little south on Tuesday, but I think probably the overall ridge continues to get stronger over the southeastern U.S., so Tuesday could be a day where we don't see any showers, but it's pretty hard to take them out of the forecast completely. That the 588 line stays in the vicinity of the Kentucky-Tennessee border on Wednesday. And so once again, as we see that trough moving across the Great Lakes, we see a weak frontal boundary coming down into the Ohio and Tennessee river valleys. But this time of year, we just simply don't get fronts in that area very often. As that trough moves by and gets over into the southeastern Canada, the 588 contour begins to climb back to the north. We see it once again approaching Chicago on Friday, and once again that means high pressure over the eastern half of the country and relatively warm weather, along with just possibility of isolated showers and thunderstorms. When we get out to Saturday, we see the 588 contour still in the vicinity of Kentucky. So the ridge staying fairly strong across the southeastern U.S. But when we get out, now remember we wanted to follow the 588 contour, get out to Wednesday, the 9th of July, and look at the 588 contour. It's up around north of, well, in the vicinity of Milwaukee and north of Chicago. And then, hold on to your hats, there we go, the 588 contour all the way up into southern Canada as the ridge becomes very, very strong. And interesting, I would expect almost to see in that pattern a 594 contour somewhere over the central U.S., but the GFS not analyzing that. So it looks like as we head into the first couple of weeks of July, that we should see weather improving in terms of heat as the heat moves upward for the summertime. Of course, July, one of our hottest months. That'll do it for the Weather Xtreme video. Expect to have the next one posted first thing on Sunday morning. In the meantime, stay tuned to the blog for the latest information. Have a great day and Godspeed.
Thank you for trusting us to be your #1 source for news
in all of Central Alabama.
in back-to-back ratings periods.
More people watched ABC 3340
than any other station in Birmingham.